In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock an element in Canva. If you've ever tried to move or edit something on your design and nothing happens, it's likely that element is locked. Locking helps prevent accidental changes, but when you're ready to adjust an item, you'll want to unlock it quickly and confidently. Start by opening your project in Canva and locating the element you want to change. A locked element typically won't move when you drag it, and you may notice a small padlock indicator when it's selected. Click the element once to select it. Selection is important because the unlock controls only appear when the exact item is active. With the element selected, right-click to open the context menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled Unlock. Click Unlock, and the element will be freed so you can move, resize, or edit it as needed. This is the most direct way to unlock, and it's ideal if you prefer using the context menu for quick actions. There's also a second, equally simple way. After you left-click to select the element, look just above it for the small floating toolbar. You'll see a lock icon there. If the element is locked, that icon will appear active. Click the lock icon once to toggle it off, and the element will immediately unlock. This method is great if you like to keep your cursor near the canvas and use the quick controls that appear in place. Once you've unlocked the element, try dragging it slightly or making a small edit to confirm it's now responsive. If you still can't move it, double-check that the correct layer is selected and that you haven't clicked the background or a different object. If the unlock option isn't visible, that usually means one of two things. The element is already unlocked, or the lock applies at a higher level, such as a group or a layout element. In those cases, select the grouped item and use the same lock icon or the context menu at that level to release it. The process is the same. Select, then unlock. A quick tip to keep your design tidy. Once you've finished adjusting the element, consider locking it again to prevent accidental shifts during later edits. It's a simple toggle using the same controls. That's all there is to it. Select the element, unlock it from the right-click menu or the floating toolbar, make your edits, and keep building your design with confidence.